What to do? What's happening? Ezuku, the king. Egugu. What to do?
Allah be with you. And strength come upon you.
Ezuku, the king.
They say a man must walk. He who refuses to walk never finds what to eat. And he who refuses to walk often turns a cripple and withers away. So we give you the mantle of a walk. A support that cannot be broken by man or spirit.
Amen.
By the Spirit of God and our forefathers. But that power that cannot be touched. The iron, the bars of iron. I know you're wise. These things don't come just like that. It's a statement.
Yes.
All right.
We're going to call, Your Excellency is going to call this cake at the spell of Jesus. We know that he's the Son of the living God. The Lord has used him to do great and mighty things. And the Lord is still using him for greater things. So, Your Excellency, sir, are we ready?
Yes.
Is the knife there?
Yes.
Okay. Camera. J. All in capital. Yes. E. S. U. And
Congratulations.